We will be making this modular origami. The paper that we'll be using is a square. Start off with the color side down and white side up. Fold it in half. Open up and fold to the center. And repeat on the other side. Now notice this side, right side. Just want to fold it like that. Open up. Turn 90 degree. And using this line, we want to make a diagonal fold like that. Now reverse fold this one like that. And hide this underneath. There's a small triangle here. Just fold it in. Mountain fold like that. Now fold it in half. And for this flap, right, we want to do a zigzag. Fold this down, following the edge at the back. And fold this up. Now for this part, we want to make a line that connects like that. So it goes like this. And turn over, repeat the same. And open up. Like this. For this part, we want the reverse fold. Reverse fold like that. And for this excess flap, right, I'll just fold until this edge. Like this. And we just want to hide this one, hide it underneath and here. And repeat the same, reverse fold this one. We have excess flap. Fold it to the edge here. And hide both. And just fold it in half to secure the whole thing. And this is one unit. I will take this off and show the assembly. We have the flap here, and this is the pocket. Just go ahead and insert it like that, and just go around. And for the last one, just insert it back. After you have insert, just squish everything like that and reinforce all the creases. And once you have done that, just open up. And it actually can work both ways, like that or like that.